Hi guys. So we're divide and conquer this weekend. I'm working at Mama's house, pulling stuff out of the basement for Rehouse, and Babes is at the property working on the barn. He's making progress, but there's some distractions out there. Take a look.
It's a baby bird. What you doing, little dude? There's two of them in here. Oh, there's the other one. Where'd he go? Oh, he's gone. What's up, little dude? Where's your mommy? Oh, there's. Is that your mommy? I'll leave the door open so you guys can fly outside. I'll leave the door open for you. Yeah. What do you think of that? They can't fly yet. Just a little bit. They can only fly a little bit. Not much.
I mean, wow, we've got a door, but he's like Snow White's brother. What am I gonna do with him? Stay tuned.